selecting this again. This is my everything and all of it. So yeah. Okay, let's first I'm going to move my screen down. I'm not playing on a computer. I'm playing on a tablet. So yeah. Okay, now I need to do this. Now I'm actually letting in now. Okay, never mind. So yeah, also go to the one this is like my favorite moment is just making music so I'm lagging. Yo. And that thing costs 800 Robux, bro. 800. I can't believe it. And I will say that I'm 9 years old. Never mind, I'm 9 years old. You know? I think the next thing selections. So yeah, why should I be 5 players? I think so. So what? Oh, I hate those. I hate it, yo. I hate it. I hate it. Yo, unbelievable. Give a round of applause, yo. And guys, I know I sound like a goofy, yo, but yeah, I'm 9 years old, okay? Username, what does I'm show you? See what's name, what's my name? So yeah. But I still can face. Okay guys, I will see you guys in the next video. The next video will be another second video. So I'm gonna make another account of evade and all of it. So yeah, I will see you y'all. Bye.